Hello and welcome to Carter and Haines, and here is our 2009 Porsche Cayman 3.4S. It's fitted with the PDK gearbox and finished in Aqua Blue metallic paint. We've sold quite a few Caymans over the years and I've not seen one in this colour before. The car is one owner from new and exceptional. It really does need to be seen. It's got great spec. It's got the sports chrono pack, heated seats, obviously the PDK gearbox, and full leather interior. We'll have the car serviced at time of sale, and we'll take part exchanges. Finance can be arranged. The car is, like I said, is just exceptional throughout. It's got the BOSE sound system as well. Part exchanges are welcomed. So for further information, please do give us a call on 01244 570 814. That's 01244 570 814. And thank you for watching.